Over the past 5 decades, Orleans has grown from a collection of suburban communities into one of Ottawa's largest and most diverse residential areas. And if you're watching this, your bathroom begins to feel outdated and ready for a fresh new look. Many homeowners in Orleans have already trusted Leaf Renovation to bring new life to their bathrooms. For example, step into this Notting Hill transformation, where a spacious bathroom was turned into a modern luxury oasis. In Queenswood Village, an outdated bathroom became a stunning retreat with a custom shower and freestanding tub. Take a look at this stylish 3-piece bathroom we renovated in Fallingbrook. Our happy client quickly added their personal touches, creating a warm and welcoming atmosphere. And in Chapel Hill South, we renovated 2 bathrooms in one home. One with a bright minimalist design, and another featuring a tub and shower combination with large format marble look tiles. Our Ottawa bathroom renovation services cover the entire process: custom design, clean demolition, professional installation, and flawless finishing. We also offer accessible bathroom solutions that combine comfort, safety, and modern trends with premium materials. Backed by 22 years of interior restoration experience, our team handles every single detail: certified bathroom waterproofing, smart lighting design, plumbing, electrical work, and high-end finishes. Stop putting it off. Book your free consultation today. Leaf Renovation. You can believe.